What's up, guys? It's Erica. This is going to be my twist out maintenance video, basically how I keep my hair as defined as possible throughout the week. So here is day one of this twist out. If you're interested in seeing this video, I will link it in the description box below and up in the cards. This is basically how and what my twist out looks like every single time, because I do basically the same technique every time. It comes out really defined. Now on to day 5 of this twist out. I really wish I had filmed every single day of this maintenance. Maybe I'll do that next time I do a braid out, or maybe the next time I do a twist out. I'll show you every single day of that maintenance routine. I do tend to retwist my hair every single night. My hair is easily stretched and gets undefined really quickly, so I do have to retwist in order to keep my hair as defined as possible. So I'm just going to remove the perm rods and take down these twists for my day 5 hair. I do add a little bit of the Jane Carter oil to my hands just to help to reduce any frizz. The older my hair gets, the more I have to separate and fluff. Well, mostly fluff. This is the end of day 5, and I'm going to show you how I maintain my hair at night. I am pretty active. I exercise, I sweat, I'm outside a lot, so I do tend to get a lot of frizz by the end of the day. So I'm going to show you how I keep that at bay. But basically the routine is the exact same every single night, and how much frizz and how much definition I've lost is going to determine how many twists and how small I do them. To get rid of some of this frizz, I am going to be rehydrating my hair with the Miss Me All Over Curl Hydrator from Jane Carter and the Curl Elixir Oil. I'm going to do just a few smaller twists in the front section of my hair and around my part, just to give the illusion that my hair is still super defined and fresh. And then I just do big chunky twists everywhere else, like 5 to 6. I'm definitely not trying to retwist small twists all over my head every single night. Ain't nobody got time for that. I think the major key to maintaining this hairstyle is the perm rods on the ends. It just kind of gives it that, like, oh, you did something. You didn't just roll out of bed this morning. Look. So here is day 6 of this twist out. I'm just going to remove all the perm rods and all of the twists. I use a little bit of oil on my fingers. But that's it. This is my twist out maintenance video. I think on day 6 it still looks pretty decent. I am ready to wash this hair, because like I said, I do work out and my scalp gets really dirty and sweaty. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram, because that's where I am most active. Honestly, Erica, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, girl.